Okay, so the first thing I did was blow dry my hair, and then I separated. First I blow dry my hair, and then I sectioned off my hair. So I sectioned, parted from ear to ear, and that was the front, and then parted the back, and I did the rubber band method. So I applied rubber bands to each section. I did like 5 horizontal sections going up, and then in each section I parted boxes and then rubber band them. So it looks like this. I have some rubber bands in my hair, but yeah, so I did that all over my head, and then I started applying the braids. So I'm gonna show you guys how I applied the braids. Right now, that's why I look crazy, because I have these 2 sections, because I left it out so that I could show you guys how I actually apply the hair to do the box braid. Okay, so when you get your section of hair, it's gonna be blunt, and you're gonna want to pull it to make it uneven, because you don't want blunt ends. So I just like to pull it so that it's uneven, and this also adds length to your braids as well, so that they're long. Mine are pretty long. I'll show you guys in a bit. But so what you're gonna do is, now it's not blunt, I just pulled it a little bit, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some edge control. I use the Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold Black Cat, not the yellow one, but the black one. And I apply it on the section I'm gonna be using, doing. So I'm gonna apply the Murray's Edge Wax on my hair. Not a lot, just a little bit. My hair is getting pretty long, guys. All right, after that, take the hair. I'm gonna try to get up closer so that you guys can see what I'm doing. The piece, right? You're gonna take this piece, and then you're gonna braid, and you're gonna act as if your real hair is the 3rd strand. I don't know if y'all can see that, but so as I go down, I like to put edge control down the hair and then continue braiding. And I just add pieces of the fake hair to my real hair, the section of my real hair. And I keep going down. into the rubber bands. I left my hair up. So now I'm about to swoop my edges. My edges. So I hope you guys like this video. This hairstyle took me 9 hours to do. No, I think it took me like 8 hours to do. It took me 8 hours to do, and I used about 7 packs of Que Jumbo Braiding Hair. And so now all I have to do is dip my ends. So I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished product.